some reason, well, in general, I have weird farts, and my gastro stuff doesn't really work. And I ate, like, shortly before I went to bed last night, and I have usually delayed digestion from issues. So I, like, digest it in my sleep, and that's not a good thing to do for anyone, but especially not for me. So my farts get really weird, and I keep getting these, like, tiny little, like, burp, 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 like, over and over. Here's another one. Like that. I've been having that, like, I only woke up at, like, 3. Because I can't sleep.